Hello!
Hi. Sorry, I just woke up.
Yes!
Come in.
So this is your house.
Yes.
Yes. So, parang medyo hindi maganda yung lighting ng
Sorry,
house ko.
there.
Oh, there. Okay. So where's your room?
Welcome to Tacloban. This is our first night.
Right.
And we actually bought some grocery items.
Yeah.
No light.
Because, by the way, we're staying for a week. And it's Holy Week, so...
Hello.
As you see, Chase got off.
Kamusta naman?
So, we're stocking up.
Kasi Holy Week na. Let's visit your room. Welcome to the maid's quarters.
This is the maid's quarter. I just arranged my...
How do you arrange your thingies? By color ba yan? Or random lang siya?
According to, yeah.
According to the days.
According to days. According to...
Oh, sorry. May ayos.
According to where? According to where? No, because the hangers are outside. So...
Okay, pati natin yung hangers. Kaso lang,
The
ay,
hangers are
madilim.
outside
It's there.
because my undies are wet, so I hang them there.
Okay.
They're undershirt. Okay.
What's in your closet? Oh, those are your shirts.
Yes.
And then,
And I have my
yung
the
mga-
towels,
Alright.
the other stuff, the jacket,
Meron
the
kang
necktie.
tie. Look at that.
Yeah,
oh.
the pink and the black necktie.
And they're very
Socks.
ballads na.
The towels.
The very ballads towel.
Towels.
Kumusta naman ang bagis?
I brought extra towel.
Why did you bring extra towels? Maselan ka ba?
Yeah, maselan.
Okay. I wanna see your these. Nothing.
There. Yeah, the planner, the bag.
Where are your undies? You wanna see your
My
undies?
undies are
Nga pala.
outside.
It's hanged.
Yeah, if you can. Well,
Hanged?
if you can see the undies
No, we
outside.
can't. We can't, cause
The
it's
different
dark
colored
outside.
undies in the
Right.
in the
And printed, dotted. Now, what do you have there?
The luggage.
Just the luggage.
So we're heading out for dinner. So if you wanna come join us, come.
Waka-waka na.
Okay, let's towards Shade Street.
Yes! Bagong gising si Oh! Oh! Tingnan muna natin dito sa banyo. Oh, wala. For 1 week lang yun.
For 1 week, huwag ka.
Lighting. Direct.
Oh, fedora hat and the bags are there.
Yes, in the shade.
Nakakaloka yung daming tala ni Jess.
Correct.
Hindi pwedeng makalimutan to.
And we actually got markers from the
Perfect!
office
Wala kaming markers
to
sa
be
ano.
ready. Because according to Abigail, she's gonna provide the admin supplies.
O, i-rate na natin yung mga, ano.
Oh my God! Like
Balaj.
crazy. Balaj.
Balaja.
Ilang colors meron kang ganyan? Nakakaloka.
2 lang actually.
Dalawa.
Actually 3. I left 1 at home.
Oh, may tie din. Hindi handa. Kayo pa itong 1 week dito.
Hindi.
Maayos. Para mas maayos yung sa kanya, Ibang klase. Oh!
Ay, dala ko eh.
Oh, mas maayos yung sa kanya.
Dalawang na board shorts.
Tama. Swimming.
Very maayos lang.
Very maayos.
Oh my God!
Ay! Isa ba? Ay!